Have you ever been in a situation whereby you have a lot of clothes but you don't know how to style it or how to mismatch colors? If yes, chill, you are in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome to Fashion and Styling with Mukeos if you are just joining in for the first time. And for my returning subscribers, you are the best. I love you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be introducing to you outfits challenges. Yeah, but firstly, we need to know what an outfit challenge is. An outfit challenge is an avenue for us to create a certain number of outfits using a specific set of clothes or within a specific theme. Within a specific theme. Here are some benefits of outfit challenge. Firstly, it encourages creativity. Secondly, it saves money, that's ego catch. Thirdly, it helps us with decision making. We have some specific set of clothing, and first of all is the capsule wardrobe. Okay, this is a set of small collections of clothing that can be mismatched to form a particular outfit. So it can be like a skirt, a top of different colors. Then secondly is the monochromatic wardrobe. This monochromatic wardrobe has to do with same small collection of clothing but with a specific color. You can use color black. Yeah. Then thirdly, a minimalist wardrobe. This particular wardrobe has to do with a small collection of versatile clothing that can also be mismatched to form a particular attire or something like that. Yes. And also it's like it has to do with pair. Yes, a top and a skirt. Yes, a top and a skirt, a top and a trouser. Yes, that's what this minimalist wardrobe is all about. And lastly, we have the seasonal wardrobe. This seasonal wardrobe has to do with the summer and the winter clothing. Yes, so you have a wardrobe for your summer clothes, then you have a wardrobe for your winter clothes. Yes, it helps a lot for you to be able to differentiate between them and for you to reduce fatigue as well. Yes, and also to save cost and save money. And here we have tips for creating an outfit challenge. So firstly, start with a theme. You need to start with something that you'll be looking out for. Yes. Secondly, you plan ahead. Like I said before, it will help you reduce fatigue as well. You plan ahead, like you plan today's outfit the next day, or better still, on Sunday you plan the outfit you are going to be putting on for the rest of the week. It will help you a whole lot. And thirdly, have fun. Yes, you need to have fun. Fashion is something that it's fun doing. Have fun, create new things, new styles, make mistakes. Yes, very important. Here are some specific things that you need for your outfit challenge. First of all, we have your workwear outfit. Your workwear outfit, this is for corporate workers. Yes, workwear outfit, what you are going to be wearing from Monday till Friday, yes, or Saturday, as the case may be. Then your streetwear outfit, what you can just be wearing like on a normal day. Yes, on a normal day, like your baggy jeans, your crop top. Yes, active wear outfits, that's for those that eat the gym. Yes, you have your singlet, crop top, then your tights. Yes, that's a nice example. And for travel wear, yes, a lot of us in this part of the world, that's Nigeria, we don't really do this travel outfits stuff. Yes, we just pick out anything and just wear. But yeah, it's important to pick out a travel outfit. Yes, what you are going to be wearing, it will help you a lot for your outfit challenge. And these are some examples of outfit challenge. You have the 10 by 10 capsule challenge. Yes, 10 by 10 capsule challenge is in 10 days you are going to be mismatching different kind of clothes, different colors. Yes, for 10 days you pick them out, then you mismatch them down. That's like on Sunday, you mismatch them on Sunday, period the days that you are going to be wearing them. So you just mismatch them down and you point out the ones you are going to be, the one you are going to wear on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to help you a lot. Yes. And secondly is the 5-day workwear challenge. Yes, like I said before, for the corporate workers, yes, this will help you a lot. The 5 days workwear challenge. So you are going to pick out what you are going to be wearing to work for 5 days, mismatch them down, then highlight the days you are going to be wearing them. So when it gets to that day, it's just for you to pick and wear. Yes. And also the seasonal wardrobe challenge. This one is easy. Yes, because you are just going to be, it's winter and summer. So when it gets to summer time, you pick out what you are going to be wearing throughout that whole summer. Then you keep it there. Then you highlight the days as well you are going to be wearing them. Then when it gets to summer, you still pick them, highlight them, Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesdays. Yes, it's going to help you a lot. These are some challenges, like some examples of challenge. And also the last one is the monochromatic challenge. Yes, you can go in with all blue, all black, or you can mismatch 2 colors. Like for the males, you can do a blue and a black. For the whole week, just blue and black. You can attach your church day to it. Like for me, on Sabbath, that's on Saturday, I can still use that same color, but in another different way. Maybe I'll go with a traditional attire, that same color. Yes, it's going to help you a lot. For ladies, you can do a pink, like all pink, or you can do a pink and a white, a pink and a black. Because most persons, they don't really like black and black outfits. If not, I would have advised black and black. Well, I love black and black, so I don't know about others. But yeah, you can do a particular color. But if you find out, or you check your wardrobe and you don't have one particular color that's small, you can mix 2. Yes, but so far you mix them and you highlight the days you are going to be wearing them. It's going to help you a lot. And like I said before at the beginning of this video, it's going to reduce fatigue. You are not going to be stressing yourself over, what am I going to wear today? What am I going to wear tomorrow? You've already highlighted them. Sorry, my bad. So you're just going to be hanging them on your wardrobe, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, that's it. I hope these few things that I've said will help a lot of persons. I love you. Share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I love you all. And also tell a friend that needs to hear this. I know a lot of persons need to hear this, but yes, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Yes, that's Fashion and Styling with Mikels is uploading something like this. Yes, and you can watch out for my other videos where I talk about your body shape, how you can figure it out. Yes, different type of body shape. And note, this is very important about trying new things. So don't be afraid. Fashion is all about trying new things, so don't be afraid to try one. And yes, be ready to make a lot of mistakes. Be ready for a lot of persons to laugh at you, but your outcome is the best. Stay blessed. Have a blessed week. I love you all. Remember that. Bye.